Hi guys, let's do a quick review on the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet Vacuum Cleaner. It's a great affordable vacuum and it works great for us here at home because we have 3 pets whose fur gets everywhere, whether on our floors or carpet, and the BISSELL vacuum picks it up all the time. So the first thing I want to mention is the long cord. That is great because we just hate having to take it out, unplug it, and plug it somewhere else. So I never have to plug it more than 4 times when I'm cleaning my apartment. The next one is this little selector down here, which we use the 5 for carpet or taller rugs, and then the 1 to clean our regular everyday flooring. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty in there, but I wanted to show you guys the reality of it. And the best part about this is that you can just open it up and just wash it and let it dry thoroughly with no issues, including the filter and down here where the brushes are. As you can see, we've been cleaning a lot and now it's time to clean the vacuum cleaner. It is a great, honestly, investment for your house. It picks up all the fur. It has a little tank release up here, and the tank can hold actually a lot of fur and dirt and debris. It also has a suction indicator up here when you're using the brush in the back to make sure you're not burning the engine of your little vacuum, and the filter can be accessed through here. It has 2 wheels on the back. And let's flip it over so you guys can see more. Here we can store the cord very easily and remove it by twisting this all the way down. I will say that the cord did get stuck under the vacuum a couple of times and has some scratches or dents, but it still works just fine. It did come with this brush and another one that unfortunately broke for us. Down here, you just step on that to swivel it back and forth, and this to turn it on. And up here, we have the extender, and then we have the actual vacuum brush. And you can put in any other brushes here, or you can just buy them online if you want more. Honestly, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend.